Hey. Mputa. Wako chenede wani pay wo waki do ay fo papa now. The 65th Independence Day. And now, Tarkwa Nsueam. On the Tarkwa Senior High School field, on the 6th day of March 2022, he didn't come alone. I have seen in our midst, we are so grateful to have him. The Honorable Member of Parliament for Tarkwa Nsueam Municipality and the Deputy Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Honorable George Kuduka, is also in our midst. We say welcome to them. Yadamuina say, "Move to me as a Kabokuga." Yadamuina say, "There, why are the depth of my head? Move to my phone, as I'm my head, Bill." To the phone. That's right. And Kabon culture too. And one of the read. Watch it to talk on Sudan man. Now and there, consider your pet the mother. If you have no tutor. Aha. Aha. Oh. Why can I say? Watch it to worry man. No, was up before. Madam Bible can when you teach Wima or a Kawada or I don't know about food. Aha, aha, Obiana Nazi, aha. Our life is most Martino Korea. Watch it, you know, I know what to put. And come on, culture too. One of them will do no. If they forward show any do a day, already I know Wakayo. Waka and Brown also, old school now. No train on the way at the Madibi. It's a mamma de Dama Yenim want to turn for Nananum. All degrees is paying for obey. What show any do a day. Aha. Watch it in the Kakaka. Hey, what shall you feel? Aha, no, I feel a win. What while I say, oh, hey, watch it to a man waiting. Ah, and then I want to do ya, messy. Yachichel. You're independence now on the TV game. I know what, aha. That's right. That's right. Mama man to know from no say what about that? I don't see well. And come on, true. Aha.
Businesses from the effects of the virus. The Independence Day celebrations for 2020 was held in an atmosphere of uncertainty, while 2021 edition was cancelled and substituted with essentially a virtual celebration. As we collectively work to ensure a gradual return to normalcy, the theme for this year's celebration, dubbed "Working Together, Bouncing Back Together," could not have been better, as it reinforces our resolve to bounce back from the shocks of the pandemic. His Excellency the President showed leadership by facing the pandemic hand-on and religiously updated us on safety measures put in place to protect us during his famous Fellow Ghanaians series. This has prepared the grounds for a smooth return to normalcy, and we are grateful to him and his government for this remarkable feat. Consequently, I am proud to announce the return of the flagship Municipal Best Teachers Award scheme, which will take place tomorrow, 7th March 2022, at the UMAT Auditorium, where, for the first time in the history of the scheme, the best teacher will drive home with a brand new car as the award prize. That is the card that applied here. This is by kind courtesy of a hard-working Member of Parliament, Honorable George Mreku Luka, a great indication of commitment towards improving the quality of education and making the municipality a first-class municipality. We are eternally grateful to our MP, Honorable George Mreku Luka. Ladies and gentlemen, let me use this opportunity to appeal passionately to each one of us to take advantage of the ongoing national vaccination exercise to protect you and your families from this deadly virus. Madam Carol is here, and I'm sure those who are prepared to take the jab can take it from here. Let us continue to practice the enhanced hygiene and mask wearing protocols, which has now come to be part of our way of living. These protocols have not only helped in the fight against COVID-19, but have also helped in the prevention of hygiene-related infections like cholera. As government takes steps to revitalize and transform the economy and invest in critical sectors such as education, we as an assembly have continued to prioritize and implement projects that are critical to the development of our dear municipality. Specifically, in the area of education, we have recently commissioned 2 normal 6-unit classroom blocks at Esuoso and Domiaba. Fiaseman Senior School has seen the completion and handing over a 16 water closet facility, and a mechanized borehole has also been completed at Benso Senior High School. Tarkwa Senior High School, where we stand today, our host for today's celebration, has over the period seen the construction of classroom blocks, dormitory facilities, an ongoing dispensary project, and the construction of schools' internal roads. Additionally, as we have also begun the implementation of our medium-term development plan for 2020 to 2025, the Assembly has commenced the construction of number 1 6-unit classroom block with auxiliary facilities at the Bogre Chrome, the construction of two normal unit classroom blocks with auxiliary facilities at Israel and Boama, as well as the construction of 2 normal 3-unit classroom blocks with auxiliary facilities at Mahamu and Maya 5. The Assembly has also awarded the fabrication and delivery of 120 dual desks, 20 teachers' tables and chairs, 10 ICT tables, 20 chairs, 20 hexagonal tables, 120 chairs, 125 mono desks for schools within the municipality. All these projects are geared towards the improvement and expansion of educational infrastructure for our wards across the municipality. Other projects which have started include the construction of male and female wards, the laboratory facility with auxiliary facilities at Benso Health Center, as well as the landscaping and pavement works at the forecourt of the Tarkwa Nsueam Municipal Office Block. Ladies and gentlemen, notwithstanding our daunting challenges and constraints, I am confident that with dedication, hard work, honesty, and integrity, we can fulfill the dreams and aspirations of the founding fathers of our nation and achieve the development that we desire. I'm very certain that with a sense of unity and oneness of mind, coupled with the fullness support, cooperation, commitment of our stakeholders, we can indeed work together and bound us together. Let us all step up and play significant roles in the development of municipality and Ghana, our motherland. Let me add that the government of His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is fully committed to bequeathing to our children, their children, and generations unborn a nation of hope and opportunity, not one of despair and retrogression. As I bring my address to an end, let me applaud the teachers, students, and peoples across our municipality, and specifically those of you who have been selected to constitute this colorful parade today. We are grateful for your sacrifices. To the Education Directorate, the Planning Committee, we say a big aiko to you for putting this together. My appreciation also goes out to Nanano, the clergy, our security services, political parties, reps from our mining companies, and the media for gracing this memorable location. Finally, to each and every one of you here today, we say a big thank you. Happy 65th Independence Day celebration to you all, and may God bless us all and our homeland Ghana and make her great and strong. I thank you, and may God bless us all.
Let us say the Municipal Chief Executive. Awards shall be given to the best performing schools in the March past. So all schools must prepare themselves very well and put up their best so that they are acknowledged as such. I shall hand over to the parade commander to take over. Still displaying is the Fiasek Regimental Band. The Fiasek Regimental Band is clothed in pink and fire service apron.
We are assuming Fiasek Fuya. And paying for our personal crop, what we homogeneous independence. Now, and if it you send 65th Independence Day or Tarkwa High School for that, you know, observing solemnly, and you have to tell Mara or your dream on the phone or your negative. Fiasmas and Metal Band and yes, so my personal is not in order ahead to school, so no, yeah, but why she show one of the one I saw from why are they? If I want to mark the 65th Independence Day of Ghana since 1957, in the day they bring away kids, if they or coach or money see what now and they had they know it's it'll be asked. Yes, the 65th Independence Day of Ghana. This is the Fiasmas Secondary School Sentimental Band. I want to watch your onesie.
Currently, the Fiasek Regimental Band is moving. So all the bands turning right in the Fiasman Army and Fire Cadets. me to make this correction. Approach Yuma Basic School Cadet. The University of Mines and Technology, that's UMaT Cadet, not the basic school, please. The University Cadet, UMaT, thank you very much. It's good seeing you on the field. Passing by the days is the UMaT, the University of Mines and Technology, Tarkwa Cadet. Now approaching the days is the Fiasiman Army and Fire Cadets. The Fiasiman Senior High School Cadets is currently recovering arms. Next is the Fiasek Fire Cadets. In the fire camo, we have the Fiasek Fire Cadets. Fiasek Fire Cadets. And recovering arms, we have the Tasco Naval Cadets. The Tasco Naval Cadets recovering arms. Tasco. The Tasco Naval Cadets is followed by the Color Party. The Tasco Naval Cadets is followed by the Color Party. The Color Party. The Color Party is made up of the national flag and the flags. We have the cadet contingent taking the quick march. Ogado also marching. We have the #1 PRO of the Municipal Assembly, Amagana, also marching. Amagana, well done.
PRO in the serious power. Hey, mommy, I'm the secondary school. I'm going to meet you. I shall say. Hey, too sure. Assembly members. And another woman. I want to see a good day.
For supporting your people. Rahabepome MA Basic School. And the march is being led by Madam Queen Macrado and Madam Matilda Upon.
Still got the aqua. What's this aqua or so?
Boys. Aguta was established in 1999. It is located at Rinwachin. The head teacher is Josephine Odum. We have Davina Safo and Mercy Pabifio, and Emmanuel Kofi and Mr. Paul Yakubu. Also matching with Naraguta Basic School. Well done.
Eti Naraguta Grammar School, I want to know where to run.
So beautiful, well done.
Oh, why are they? Naraguta Grammar School. and I also walk away. You are trouble. It was sweet, let's say I check power. Watch it, papa. Or front true. Or front true. Here, or front true. I should post to man. What's to Sana? Oh, yeah, the best of all. Not any 65. I was so at you. What's the one about? No, about the match. Zasha, what about enemy? Or front true. This is school, and I walk on. Oh, for papa. What's one my madam say one to if you want to show on to why I want you one year. Oh, if you are 1 year or 1 year, 1 quarter year. If you are new, yes, so may I kind knowledge is power. Professional Prophetic School, JHS. Aha. It's all that you know, Copa of Retro JHS. And won't you me? Aha. Oh, I want to say more now. Why, Joshi? It's my boss. I fell. Okay, I will be not educational complex in the window laundry. Sam Educational Conference. I'm a super bossy. Jehovah is our foundation. I'm so good and I'll see you on. Marvelous. Sam Educational Conference. What do you mean? Oh.